Guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing with my Christmas How to Kill a Kit with Style. So let's see what I can do. All right, guys. So there is a Pinterest pin for this layout and I can't find it. I thought that it was on my Pinterest board, but maybe I was on someone else's Pinterest board when I found the layout that I wanted to get my inspiration from. No idea where it is. So if I find it, I guess I'll be able to put it, I don't know, somewhere maybe in the description box down below. But honestly, guys, no idea where it is. Like, I don't know. Because I specifically did this blue piece of paper with the notebook edge punch on the top, because that's what it was on the Pinterest pin. Like I said, no idea where it is. I did decide to rough up my edges just to give it a little bit more texture and a little bit more interest, because I am using this kind of plain light khaki cardstock out of the paper pad. And it's the Home for Christmas paper pad from Pink Paisley. But like I said, really, no idea where that Pinterest pin is. So good news is I actually used a Pinterest pin, so it's off the board. Bad news is I don't know whose board it was on. And that's okay. It's okay. I got the inspiration. I wish I could give credit, because like I said, no idea. So maybe if you have this particular pin on your board, you could let me know. Who knows? So that is where we are at right now. So I am going to bring in all the colors. I'm going to combo the green, the red, the navy, and the khaki with the gold. Now I don't mind whatsoever bringing in other colors in my Christmas layouts. Now, most of the time, my Christmas projects, like my December projects, are very traditional colored, but that's just because I like it that way. I like to play in the colors on these layouts, which are the layouts that go in my family albums. So while I am checking out stickers and trying to figure out what is going to go where, please make sure that you click on the links down below. You can see everyone who is playing along with Off the Board this month. It is a series that was started by my friend Crystal over at Pineapple Papers in order to basically get to using your Pinterest boards instead of just collecting the pretty things, and actually doing something with them. It doesn't have to be a scrapbook layout. You can find inspiration on any kind of Pinterest board that you have. In the past, I've pulled Pinterest inspiration for my scrapbook layouts from my Kitchen Ideas Pinterest board, and also my reading nook ideas, because it is a dream of mine, you guys, to have like a little library nook somewhere in my home. So there is that. Now this photo in this story is a fun one, actually. So 2 Christmases ago, I made a recipe book for my boss, and basically I just included my recipes, because I would talk about, my recipes and the things we like to eat and the things we like to do, and she just really thought that our food sounded great. So I was secretly making these books for my children, for all 3 of them, for Alex, Chloe, and Lana. And at work, my boss knew I was making them for my kids. And at home, my kids knew I was making it for my boss. Or at least Lana knew. The other 2 didn't know until later. Chloe figured it out that I was making it for my boss when she came home for Christmas vacation. And she was like almost morally opposed that I was making this recipe book for my boss. Like, she was like, "You're making a family recipe book for your boss. Like, she was offended, like truly straight up offended. And then this is them opening their recipe books that they had no idea I was making them. And Chloe's reaction when she opened the book was, "Suck it, Jen." That's suck, S-U-C-K. Not a bad word. Or not the bad word. So there was that, and it was just hilarious. Like, she cried. There were much tears. And in this recipe book, I also included my husband's recipes for things that he makes that I do not. I don't think because I can't, but because they are his recipes. You know what I'm saying? So there is that. And I just wanted that to be documented here in this this story. So that's what the journaling is about. And then I was trying to put things on here that were homey and recipe-like. So I have the gingerbread house. We have the gingerbread cookie, Christmas tree cookie that I split apart over the special delivery sticker up there that's golden. It's kind of getting blown out with the light. So I had that, and then the journaling is going to go on there. And I'm just going to add some little bits with my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive. So these gold thickers are beautiful. They are fabulous. But the only problem is they don't stick. Like, they just don't stick. So you definitely need to figure out some sort of glue to get them to stick. And my favorite is the Nuvo Deluxe. It is a liquid glue that dries matte. So if you have like spillage or seepage, you're not going to have these little shiny glue bubbles all around you, which is a huge, huge plus in my book. Hopefully it's a huge plus in your book too. I did decide to put the 3 stockings here because I wanted something in that space, and since I made 3 books for my 3 children, I figured it was a totally appropriate kind of moment. Now, you can't see that black and white or black and cream card where the hollies are. That is, it says, "Oh, happy day" on it. And that was just a cut apart, I'm pretty sure from the Paper House Be Happy paper pad that was kind of chilling out on my desk. So I felt like it was completely appropriate to add it to this page. So I am journaling with a navy blue Muji pen, and I just felt like the cardstock in the background was just so expansive that I needed to rein it in. And I did that by doing my doodly line borders all the way around the edges. And since I did that in blue, I figured might as well do my journaling in blue too. So that is going to do it for this layout, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions below. Let me know if you know where the heck my Pinterest pen got to. And I will see you guys again real soon for another video.